Hi mga ka-beauty! Welcome back to my channel. This is Dana. So today, update ko kayo kung ano yung nangyayari sa buhay ko. I'm sorry if I did not able to upload for such a long time kasi as in super duper na busy ako sa work, and then can you imagine for 5 months nag-move ako ng, nag-shift ako ng bahay sa loob ng 5 months twice. So this is why. So today, sabi ko, medyo okay naman ako. And then, nandito na ako sa bago kong room. And as you can see, yung TV ko hindi pa naayos. Nandyan lang siya. So, sabi ko, sige, mag-update pala ako. Sana nandyan pa kayo yung mga subscribers ko na nanonood sa akin. So, this is what happened. Okay. Okay naman ako. I'm blessed. I'm blessed sa work. Okay yung work ko. Ako yung local procurement sa company dito sa including GCC actually, especially sa KSA. So in short, okay yung work ko and I'm happy with it. All right, okay yung salary and everything. And right now, gusto ko lang mag-upload dahil alam ko na I don't know if people are still there watching me or wanted to watch me. So I just wanna inform you guys na okay na yung buhay ko dito, and of course I'm gonna show you where am I. Dito yung bago kong room. I'll show you. Ta-da! Yeah. Oh my God, I still have my commode here. Hindi pa ako kasi nagliligpit kasi inaantok ako kanina, and then natulog ako ulit. Actually, 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And ayun, ito yung cabinet ko. Ayun, may built-in cabinets, and meron ako mga bags ko, alright. And yung ref ko na maliit. Tapos meron akong microwave dito sa room para hindi na ako pupunta sa kitchen pag may papainit akong tinapay. So, alright. Thank you so much. Thank you very much for watching. I'll give you an update every now and then. Thank you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell down below for more updated videos. Bye! Thank you!